Next topic, fruits. We know about several kinds of fruits, but by botanical study we will be surprised to know the types of fruits and how they are produced by plants. Fruits are the products of pollination and fertilization, usually containing seeds inside. In common person perspective, a fruit may be defined as an edible product of the entire gynosium and any floral parts which is sweet, juicy, and fleshy colored, aromatic smell, and includes seeds. However, the fruits is a fertilized and ripened ovary. The branch of to horticulture that deals with the study of fruits is called and the cultivation is called pomology. Study of fruit is called pomology. Structure of fruit. Fruits has a fruit wall. It's otherwise called pericarp. And the pericarp divided in three types: outer in epicarp, middle in mesocarp, and inner endocarp. The inner part of the fruit is occupied by the seed. Types of fruit. First fruit, simple fruit. So fruit are derived from a single ovary of the flower. Example: mango, tomato. Simple flower fruits are classified based on the nature of pericarp. Fleshy fruit. அப்போ ஃப்ளெஷ்ஷுன்னு எல்லாமே அடிப்பது அந்த ஃப்ரூட்ஸ் ஆர் derived from single pistil where the pericarp is fleshy, succulent and differentiated into epicarp, mesocarp, endocarp. It is subdivided into the following pericarp. Pericarp fruit develops from bicarpellary or multicarpellary in carps ovary. Here the epicarp is thin. And the mesocarp and endocarp remain undifferentiated. They form a bulb in which the seeds are embedded. Example: tomato, grapes, brinjal. அடுத்து drupe, mango. Drupe develops from the monocarpellary superior ovary. It's usually one-seeded. Pericarp is differentiated into a skinny epicarp, fleshy and bulby mesocarp, and a hard and stony endocarp around the seed. Example: mango, coconut. அடுத்து பெப்போ பூசணிக்காய், வாட்டர்மெலன், குக்கும்பர் எல்லாம் வரும் இல்லையா பெப்போ. அந்த ஃப்ரூட்ஸ் டெவலப்ஸ் ஃப்ரம் ட்ரை கார்புலரி inferior ovary. Pericarp turns leathery to woody or woody which encloses fleshy mesocarp and a smooth endocarp. Example: cucumber, watermelon, bottle gourd, pumpkin. பூசணிக்காய் எல்லாம். அடுத்து ஹெஸ்பெரிடியம், ஆரஞ்சு லெமன் எல்லாம். Fruits develop from multicarpellary, multilocular syncarpous ovary superior. The fruit wall is differentiated into leathery epicarp with oil glands. கடலை அடித்தா அப்படி ஆயில் வரும் இல்லையா. The middle fibrous mesocarp and the endocarp forms distinct chambers containing juicy hairs. Example: orange, lemon. Pome is a pulse fruit apple. Example: it is developed from multicarpellary syncarpous inferior ovary. The receptacle also develops along with the ovary. It becomes fleshy and close the true fruit. In pome, the epicarp is thin, skin-like, and the endocarp is cartilaginous. Example: apple pear. அதுக்கடுத்து பிளாஸ்டுலா, அதாவது பொம்மக்ரான் இருக்கு இல்லையா, மாதுளை. A fleshy indication fruit developing from multicarpellary, multilocular inferior ovary whose pericarp is tough and leathery. Seeds are attached irregularly in the testa, being the edible portion. Next, dry fruit. Fleshy முடிஞ்சது. அடுத்து dry fruit that develops from single ovary where the pericarp is dry and not differentiated into epicarp, mesocarp and endocarp. It is further subdivided into three types. Dry digestion fruit. Pericarp is dry and split open along the surface to liberate seeds. They can be classified into following type. Follicle, அதாவது ரொம்ப சீடு வந்து ஃப்ரீயாக இருக்கும், குடுகுடுன்னு ஆடும். ஃப்ரூட்ஸ் டெவலப்ஸ் ஃப்ரம் மோனோகார்புலே superior ovary decays along with one suture. எருக்க செடி கேலோட்ரோபிஸ், லெக்யூம் ஆர் பால், இது ரெண்டு பக்கமே அடிக்கும். Fruits develop from the monocarpous superior ovary, decays through both dorsal and ventral, ரெண்டு சைடு வெடிக்கும். அடுத்து ஸ்லிக்வா கடுகு செடி. The fruits develops from bicarpellary syncarpous superior ovary, initially one chambered but subsequently becomes two chambered due to the formation of false septum rubellum. The fruit decays along two suture, example brassica கடுகு. அடுத்து சிலிகுலா, fruit similar to siliqua but shorter and broader. அது என்னது கேப்சல்லா. Capsule. Fruits develops from multicarpellary syncarpous superior ovary based on the decay pattern. எப்படியெல்லாம் வெடிக்குது அப்படின்னா செப்டமா capsule splitting along septa, example valves remaining attached to the end septa, example Aristolochi ஆடுதினமலை. அடுத்து லாக்லிசோடல் capsule splitting along lacule valves remaining attached to septa, Abelmash வெண்டங்க. அதுக்கடுத்து போரிசிடல்னால் அந்த டெர்மினல் பார்ட் வெடிக்கக்கூடிய நிறைய பக்கம் வெண்டங்க மாதிரி டிகைஸ் த்ரூ டெர்மினல் போர்ஸ், எக்ஸாம்பிள் பப்பாவை. நெக்ஸ்ட்டு ட்ரை இன்டெகிஷன் வெடிக்காது. ஃபஸ்ட்டு அக்கீன், இது வந்து குடுகுடுன்னு ஆடும் வழியே வெடிக்காது. சிங்கிள் சீடட் ட்ரை ஃப்ரூட் டெவலப் ஃப்ரம் சிங்கிள் கார்பல் வித் superior ovary. அக்கீன் காமன்லி 1 mark develops from apocarpus pistil. Fruit wall is free from seed pod, example Clematis delphidium. Next capsule single seeded dry fruit develops from bicarpellary, binathana 2 carpels, syncarpous fused carpels, inferior ovary with reduced scales, hairy or feathery calyx lobes, example Tridax. Arabsis, it is a one-seeded fruit with enclosed the from a multicarpellary superior ovary, pericarpus inseparably fused with seed, example nell. What is a nut, cashew nut. And the development of multicarpellary syncarpous superior ovary with the odd woody or bony pericarp. It is a one-seeded fruit, example anacardium, cashew nut. அதுக்கடுத்து சமாரா dry indication fruit, one-seeded fruit in which the pericarp develops into a thin winged structure around the fruit, example acer utricle. They develops from bicarpellary unilocular syncarpous superior ovary, will pericarp loosely enclose the seeds, example Xenopodium. அதுக்கடுத்து சைசோகரி போத் டிகேஷன் அதாவது வெடிக்கும் பாதி வெடிக்காமல் இருக்கும். In this fruit type of intermediate between decase and indication fruit, the fruit inside the decase is split into number of segments, each containing one or more seeds. They are following types. Kirimocarp. Fruits develop from bicarpellary syncarpous inferior ovary and splitting into two one-seeded segments known as pericarp, example Kottamalli, coriander. Carcerulus. Fruits develop from bicarpellary syncarpous superior ovary and splitting into 4 one-seeded segments known as nutlets, example Tumbela, Lucas. Lamentum. The fruits is derived from multicarpellary unilocular ovary, leguminous, Avarathavarella. Fruits consisted between the two seeds to form a number of one-seeded compartments that separate of nutrition, those separate at maturity, example Mimosa attachment. அடுத்து ரெக்மா இம்பார்ட்டன்னு கேட்பாங்க. அதாவது ஆமனுக்கு கொட்டைமுத்துன்னு சொல்லல, கேஸ்டர். த டெவலப்ஸ் ஃப்ரம் ட்ரைகார்பலரி 3 சைடு இருக்கும். சின்கார்பஸ் சுப்பீரியர் ட்ரைலாக்குலர் ஓவரி அண்ட் ஸ்பிளிட் இன்டு ஒன் சீடட் காக்கை which remains attached to கார்போபோர், எக்ஸாம்பிள் ரெசினஸ் ஆமனுக்கு. அதுக்கடுத்து அக்ரிகேட் ஃப்ரூட் பார்க்குறதுக்கு சிங்கிள் ஃப்ரூட் மாதிரி இருக்கும், கிளஸ்டர் ஆஃப் ஃப்ரூட்ஸ். அக்ரிகேட் ஃப்ரூட்ஸ் டெவலப் ஃப்ரம் சிங்கிள் ஃப்ளார், having a above pistil. Each of the free carpel develops into a simple fruitlet. A collection of simple fruitlets makes an aggregate fruit. An individual ovary develops into a drupe, achene, follicle, and or berry. An aggregate of these fruits formed by a single flower is known as hysterium. Example Annonia polyalthia. Next, multiple fruit or composite. A multiple or composite fruit develops from whole inflorescence leaf you cycle along with the petal on which they are born. Psoriasis and cyconus in two types. Psoriasis, a fleshy multiple fruit is develops from the spike or spadix. The flowers fused together by the succulent perianth and the same time the axis bearing them become fleshy or juicy and the whole inflorescence forms a compact mass. Example pineapple, jackfruit, element. Agartha cyconus, a multiple fruit which develops from hypothodum inflorescence. The receptacle develops further and converts into a fleshy fruit which encloses a number of true fruits or achene which develops from female flowers of hypothodum. எக்ஸாம்பிள் வந்து என்ன ஆலமரம் அத்திமரம்லாம் ஃபைகஸ் ஃப்ரூட்டோட ஃபங்க்ஷன் என்ன edible part of the fruit is a source of food and gives energy for animals. They are a source of many chemicals like sugar, protein, pectin, amino acids, vitamin and minerals. The fruits protects the seeds from unfavorable climatic conditions and animals. Both flesh and dry fruits helps in the dispersal of seeds to distant place. The certain catches, other cases, fruit may provide nutrition to the developing seedling. அதுக்கடுத்து பார்த்தா fruit provide a source of medicine to human. Next last topic seed. Do all fruits contain seeds? No. Replied fruits do not. The seeds are fertilized mature oval which possesses an embryonic plant. Usually stores food material and as a protective coat. After fertilization changes occurs in various parts of the ovule and remains into a seed. Next types of seed. Based on the number of cartilage, two cartilage, dicartilage with the two cartilage, monocot, single card. Based on the presence or absence of endospermature and type. முக்கியமான கொஸ்டின் albuminous or endospermous. The cartilage are thin, membranous and mature seeds have cytoplasm persistent and nourishes the seedling during its early development. Example castor, sunflower and maize. Castor, sunflower and maize. Exalbuminous are non-endospermous seed, but the seed is utilized by the development embryo and so the mature seeds are without endosperm. In such seeds, அதுக்கப்புறம் எனக்கு காட்டிலின் ஸ்டோர் ஃபுட் அண்ட் பிகம் திக் அண்ட் ஃப்ளஷ். எக்ஸாம்பிள் பீ கிரவுண்ட் எல்லாம். Next, significance of seeds. Seeds are important. The seed includes a protein and the embryo for next generation. It contains food for the development of embryo. It is a means for the dispersal of new individuals of the species. A seed is a means of perpetuation of the species. It may be dormant during unfavorable conditions, but germinate in getting suitable conditions. Seeds of various plants are used as food both for animals and man. They have the best basis of agriculture. Seeds are some product of general reproduction, so the periodic provide a genetic variation and recombination இன் ஏ பிளாக். அவ்வளோதான் இந்த சாப்டர்.